Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about Macro Monster E-Cut. This one's not as good as the other ones because you can really do all this inside of Corel, but not this fast. So under E-Cut, if we want to take all the yellow ones, select Master Shape, we want the same fill. We're going to change all the yellow ones to blue that fast. Let's say we want to search by outline, but I've got them all the outline. Let's say we want to search them all by size. Set Master Shape, search by size. It's going to make all that are the same size black, and I purposely made 3 that were not. So inside of this, there's a lot you can do. Shape, size, node count. I think I've actually done one on that before. And I'm going to play around with this in a little bit and maybe do another video. Because you can do all what I just did inside of Corel, but not that easy, not that fast. And there's other ways if we look into it further. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.